Okay, I reloaded. Big Pacino here. Of course, the name of the channel is Deja Vu Royalty Diecast Garage. This is going to be odds and ends 119. We're going to take a closer look at some mainline and premium diecast featured in my videos. Show and tell 221 and 222. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, we're going to go with the Matchbox mainline. If it stays on. And what we have is not staying on. Hopefully it'll stay on. What we have on the turntable right there is the 1986 Volvo 240 that debuted in mainline and MBX showroom 2023, designed by Abe Lugo. This is the 166 scale replica that they color variation that that is from mainline 2025 in cream yellow, detailed head and tail lights. Has a 240 DL rear plate, black plastic base, light smoke tint windows, gray interior. In real life, this was powered by a 2.3 liter inline 4 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, or you could get automatic. And it was 2,740 pounds, had 114 horsepower. That's stock. It was a rally racing underdog. Pretty cool car to have around the neighborhood too. My grandparents' neighbors and friends had one in the, I want to say, the late 80s. They had it for a few years, like 4 or 5 years. Next, what we have is the Toyota 4Runner. This debuted in mainline MBX road off-road. Again, having problems with them staying on. MBX off-road. (2022) for the debut, designed by Abe Lugo. This is the mainline 2025 color variation in white, detail head and tail lights, black plastic base, smoke tint windows, black interior. Yeah, basically this truck existed in life for, and I guess in this look, for 7 years. Powered by a 4-liter V6 and a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's 4,400 pounds. And it won't stay on the turntable. It had 270 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. Top speed of 100 and 113 miles per hour. It's a workhorse. It's not meant for speed. Originally meant for the cold weather, 4x4. Next, we got is this Subaru 2024 Subaru WRX S4 STI that debuted in mainline MBX City 2025. No designer listed. This is the World Rally Blue Pearl color variation. This is the first color variation for this casting. Detail head and tail lights. Has a dark gray plastic base. Smoke tint windows, black interior. course, the WRX was separated from the Impreza, I guess, body style for a while. I guess they kind of share the same platform. I don't know. I think they're separate models now, though. I know there's no more hatchback variants. It's strictly a sedan, turbocharged 2.4 liter engine. Isn't an inline 4, but more similar to a flat 4. What they call it, a boxer. 270 horsepower, 3,505 pounds, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. Estimated top speed. In the US is 155. In Japan, it's 170. They took the chips. I guess they don't have no governor on their chips or whatever. Next, we got the Porsche 911 Targa, debuted in mainline NBX showroom. No designer listed on the Matchbox wiki. This is the mainline 2025 color variation in red, detailed head and tail lights. It has a black plastic base. Smoke tint windows, black interior. This is based on the 2024 model year, powered by a 3-liter flat 6 in real life with twin turbochargers and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It had a weight of, I think, 3,658 pounds, 379 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. Estimated top speed, 179 miles per hour. Pretty sharp. I like the way the black wheels. I wish they would have did a chrome or either yellow trim with these on the rim or either on the tire or something to break it up a little bit, but it still looks good with that color combination. Next, we're gonna do our Hot Wheels main lines. And first up, we got the Porsche 911 Carrera T, debuted in factory fresh 2026, designed by Charlie Angola and Ted Wu. Factory fresh 2006 version. I don't know color variation. And Arctic gray, detailed headlights, tail lights, black plastic base. I think this is a cut first color variation. I didn't make no notation, so don't quote me on that. Smoke tint windows, black interior, black tint SP wheels. Based on the model year introduced in 2022, the casting is based on the Carrera T, owned by Hot Wheels Global Head of Design Ted Wu. It features elements from the sports chrono and sport design, I guess, trim packages. Pretty slick. Again, I wish they would have put some trim on them wheels, but oh well. Looks pretty cool. And it says Hot Wheels on the side instead of Porsche. Next, we got what everybody's going crazy over. The Ferraris. 2 of the Ferraris from Hot Wheels mainline. Got the first up, we got the Ferrari 365 GTB4. I think this is Competition. Debuted in race day 2025, designed by Rob Matthews. This is the HW race day 2026 color variation, and they call it Gallo Modena. It's just yellow. It's a shade of yellow with a yellow plastic base. Clear windows, 5 SP wheels, black interior. This is the race version of the Ferrari 365 GTB 4. Only 15 examples of this car were built in real life. And I think they were built from the late 60s to the mid 70s. The production car. And this is part of the windshield. He did something trying to make it look, but no tail lights on this bad boy. Next, what we got is the Ferrari F40 Competition, debuted in HW Exotics 2025, designed by Sean Margadam. I hope I got it right. This is the HW Exotics 2025. Color variation in the same color. Giallo Modena. That shade of yellow. Headlights are actually part of the windshield. It has a black plastic base. They look like they put something inside, though. Black interior, clear windows, gray 5 SP wheels. In real life, originally intended to race in Le Mans. A more powerful version of the F40 LM from 1989. It is believed that only 8 to 10 vehicles were built, making it very rare. This is what everybody's crazy about. There's a black version of this that's in another case. I don't know if it's later or earlier. That is, of course, the Super Treasure Hunt. Next, we're going off away from mainline. Now we're in premium. And this is something that kind of caught me off guard. A friend gave me to this. Believe it or not, this is Maisto. From a series they call Speed Icons. And I didn't even know that Maisto had the Ferrari license and 164. I thought it was exclusive to Hot Wheels in North America. Maybe there's an angle because Maisto is originally a Chinese company. But this, I hate to say it, looks better than anything getting from premium from Hot Wheels right now. I think there's an RLC that people are paying $50 for, or $30 to $50 for, because it was sold out, I think, after a while. But you can get this bad boy. Sometimes, I hate to say it, and I know a lot of y'all Hot Wheels fanatics, sometimes you gotta go away and start focusing on one brand and branch out. And you'll get some gems. And this is a gem right here. This is well executed. And as you've seen, it comes with a little box. Just like Mini GT and Tarmac Works and a couple of the more premium brands, comes with a little box to put the car in. This is clean. And this based on a car that was only 250 built between 2019 and 2022. It's only available to Ferrari's top clients. And you had to have owned Ferraris over a 10 to 20 year period. In real life, had 6.5 liter V12, a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, 3,307 pounds. Top speed to believe to be 190. And next, what we have this 1966 Buick Skylark GS that is from Johnny Lightning in Riviera red poly. What's this series is from? It's not 2026 yet. It's 2025 release too. That series. This bad boy is clean. Paint job is clean. Look under the hood. That boy is clean. It's supposed to be a 4.1 nail head under there with 325 horsepower. That boy clean. May not be your cup of tea, but I love Johnny Lightning. I love Auto World too. Round 2. When they get into their muscle car bag, they're in the zone. Green light can touch them a little bit sometimes, but I don't know. Sometimes Johnny Lightning be doing it. And this one is the Dodge 69 Dodge Coronet RT convertible, and it's in copper poly. That bad boy is clean. Pretty much ain't too much you can say. I want to thank the subscribers for their likes and their views. Random viewers who happen upon this channel, hope you decide to hit the subscription, hit the notification, leave a like or dislike behind. It's always good to get a comment. Feedback helps the channel. As I always say, this is not the best diecast channel. It's not the worst either. Motto here is to show a little love to the diecast. With that said, I'm going to say peace and blessings. Signing off until the next video.